Hello, I'm Will Nye the Science Guy. Today we're going to talk about photosynthesis and plant reproduction. First, let's break down the word photo. Even though you take pictures as a photo, photo means light. Something probably has to do with the pictures. Synthesis, I can't tell you what that is. I haven't done those words yet. But I can tell you for certain that plants need light for photosynthesis. Not usually this time. Usually outside, they get light from the sun, which gives them energy. And then they get water, like such. And their roots down at the bottom slurp, they suck up, that water real good there. I just swallowed my gum. Oh well. So, the plants will suck it up and it'll go up the stem. It'll go up the roots first and then the stem. Then it will go to the leaves. And what the leaves do, they have these things called chlorophyll. And the chlorophyll, it will take the energy from the sun and also get the water, and then it also breathes in carbon dioxide. Now humans, we breathe out carbon dioxide, not just carbon dioxide, but also like oxygen, nitrogen, other gases. But they take in that carbon dioxide and they combine it with the water, and they use the sun's energy to warm it up, and they can make glucose, which is their sugar that they eat somehow. They have mouths or something, I'm not really sure. But that's how they get their energy. Now, reproduction. Animals, they have their own different way, but when it comes to plants, they can't just split into two plants like an amoeba either. Their way is, how it explains, they have both male and female. I swear, an advertisement! No one cares. Wii Sports I'm really mad at Wii Sports now. They told me they weren't going to add an advertisement. What is this even an advertisement for? Stupid. No one cares about ABC. How do I click out of this? Sorry, everybody. I'm so sorry. That's ridiculous. Anyway, before I was so rudely interrupted, I'm never gonna watch ABC again. The plants have both male and female parts. They have this uvulum or something like that. And it's like a bell shape. And they also have these pollen. The pollen's released and it's brought like bees and stuff to and they land on one plant, they get the pollen from it when they suck the nectar. Nectar, I think, is to attract the bees and such. And then they'll fly over to another plant. I'm just going to use the same one again. And they land, and the pollen gets absorbed by, the uvula or whatever it is. I should have looked up the words before I started, though. And then, the fruit. Plants grow fruit, like such, bananas, and the fruit has the seeds in them. And the seeds, once they are pollinated, once the uvula thing is pollinated by the pollen, it grows the fruit with all the seeds in them, and they're good, and the fruit will fall down from the tree, and then you get a whole banana to grow from it, like that. God, that's sticky. I don't know why that's so sticky. But that's how plants reproduce. Actually, I'm going to add one more thing to this lesson because it seems like it's a little short. So, I think I'm going to add in respiration. So, my hands are so wet. Oh, crap. Alright, just give me a second, guys. There, respiration. Just gotta get the black crap off my fingers. So respiration. Animals and plants and pretty much everything else does this. They take in oxygen. You know, what we breathe in is oxygen, not just, but also like nitrogen and stuff. And oxygen, well, is one of the things our cells need, and so do plants, apparently. And they also need water, so it's not the only thing water is taken in for. Then energy from food. Now, I talked about this in the food chain episode, but you know, the energy starts in the sun, right? And then the sun energy comes down, it's taken by plants, and the plants use that energy to make their own food, and the plants are eaten by, say, a cow. Well, then, the cow takes the energy that was originally in the sun and puts it into itself, and then when we eat, like, say, beef, like steak or whatever, we're eating the sun's energy. So think about that. Whenever you're eating, even a banana, whenever you're eating any food, you are eating the sun. Now, your mouth's not on fire, but just imagine that. Just taking a big bite out of the sun like it's a cookie. That's hard, yeah. That's harder than I thought. Yeah, the sun's a star if you didn't know. Anyway, so respiration, to give energy, you'll have to eat to get the energy from the sun, and then also you'll have to drink to get the water, which our cells also need, and lastly you'll have to breathe in oxygen to give it. And then your mitochondria, I talked about this in the cell episode, will somehow zap you, give your cells energy so you don't die. Because without respiration, we all go like,
1-9. 1-9. Oh my gosh, well, man down. Somebody get me a frickin' AED.
Tear open the pad's packaging. Look closely at the picture on each pad. Peel off the pad labelled 1 and stick to the bare skin of the patient, exactly as shown in the picture. Peel off the pad labelled 2 and stick to the bare skin of the patient, exactly as shown in the picture. Do not touch the patient. Analysing heart rhythm.
Stand clear.
Shock advised. Stand clear. Press the flashing orange button now. Deliver shock now.
Stand clear.
Shock.
Camera guy, why am I sitting on a banana?
what have you been doing? Ugh. These pads are not comfortable at all. Well, everyone, thank you for coming to Well Nine Labs today. Like and subscribe. My videos are good. And did you put glue on those pads? Whatever. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, don't try this at home, especially the AED part, because you don't want to get shocked. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Wait, let me just do one more. Don't do this at home, except I want to do it with my shirt on to be professional. Don't try this at home.